Tyson Foods down 7% for the steepest decline we've seen in the S&P 500 after Bank of America cut the shares to neutral from buy. The firm citing increased industry production and lower chicken prices for that downgrade.
And Qihu shares are rallying 8% as the Chinese internet and software company reports better than expected second quarter results. Qihu also issues third quarter revenue guidance that is higher than the current estimates.
Qihu.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's how you say it. Number 8, Sotheby's rising about 3.5% after Dan Loeb's Third Point disclosed a 5.7% stake in the auctioneer. Third Point says it intends to engage in a dialogue with members of Sotheby's board, management team, or other reps related to possible strategy or leadership changes.
All right, 3D Systems and Stratasys are our number 7. Both 3D printing companies are up after Citi started coverage with buy ratings. Citi saying revenues generated by the 3D printing market could more than triple by 2017 as more manufacturers begin using the technology.
And Trish, we should note 3D was one of the stocks that made our cut in the Insight and Action segment, small cap tech companies that are growing their earnings dramatically. All right, Anadarko up more than 1%. The oil and natural gas producer announcing an agreement to sell part of its stake in a Mozambique project for $2.6 billion. Anadarko expects to use the net proceeds from the sale to speed up opportunities at some of its other projects.
Number 5 is McDonald's shares up just a fraction today. The Big Mac seller plans to introduce bone-in chicken wings across the U.S. next month. CEO Don Thompson, who became CEO in July 2012, has been overhauling McDonald's menu to boost sales in its home market. That's
if they're hot enough, I will eat them.
But bone-in, didn't you?
Yeah, that gives you something to grab.
What's the point? Don't we have all this technology in order to get bones out of chicken
Well,
wings?
here's the thing. If there's no bone in there, that means they basically shredded the meat and then reshaped it. And, you know, I kind of want something that's, you know,
I mean,
I don't really
real.
like that idea either.
Let's take this a step further and think about how they grow all the chickens to make all those wings.
I don't really like that idea either.
Just as unpleasant.
I've never thought of growing chickens.
It's a horrible.
Yes, you're right.
Horrible thought.
All right, number 4 is Facebook. Facebook up nearly 2% right now as the company's valuation tops $100 billion for the first time since the day of its IPO back in May 2012. Facebook stock has more than doubled since falling to a record low of $17.73 a share in September.
Big Lots up more than 5% today. New leadership and a new look in some of the stores as the chain gets an upgrade over at J.P. Morgan. The firm raising Big Lots to neutral from underweight and lifting its price target to $32 from $28.
Number 2 is TMS International up 12% after the steel mill servicer agreed to sell itself to Chicago's Pritzker family for $690 million in cash. TMS says the deal boosts returns for its shareholders and positions the company to expand globally as a privately held company.
Okay, and moving to our number 1 stock of the day, it's Tesla, up more than 1% right now as the company's market value exceeds $20 billion on investor optimism. Investors believing that Elon Musk can keep widening the appeal of electric-powered cars as Tesla's sales increase.